Welcome to Saptagiri Construction. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel for videos related to construction field. In this video, I will be showing you joining of old slab to new slab by using chemical. In this, rebarring must be done very carefully and this chemical is applied in order to get a proper joint between old slab and new slab. We have done fixing of old slab to new slab by chemical method. For joint filling, this is a chemical we have used and this is being brushed along the cement slurry to the old slab. In chemical method, holes are being drilled in old slab and then all the dust particles in the holes are removed. After that, Phosroc waterproofing chemical is been applied into the holes and to the iron bar. Then it is placed in the holes. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching this video.